Hi.
That really does sound incredible. Sure. Have fun.
What's you doing, Mike Nee?
I know. To the thingamajigger.
It'll be great to watch the salmon run. Don't you mean
Oh, Mr. Mike-a-need.
crazy salmon have to be different? They say run when they mean swim.
It's time.
Hi, Mr. Clyde.
Are you ready?
Yes, we
Dance.
Are you sure you're ready to explore? Then put your jigger moment.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Here we go. On an adventure, the thingamajigger is up and away. We're off on a journey to find Sand. I hope you're excited. I know that I am.
Dance.
Welcome to the Swirly Whirly River. Hang on to your hat. Not if you pull the summery blubber. I almost forgot. Press the shrinkamadoodle so we don't frighten any fishies.
Well, you frightened me.
Wow! Look at all those fish swimming along with us. Look! Oh, why's that big fish going the other way?
That'll be a salmon. Crazy salmon just hopped up in different.
Is it Salmon Samantha?
Yes, that's her. Woohoo, Samantha!
I know that flashing fishtail anywhere.
Hey, come back! How are we going to catch her? The river is just the other way.
You need to be a strong swimmer if you want to go up the river like those crazy salmon do.
Or you can press the shrinkamadoodle.
Wow, that got tail. Is it anything bad to have?
Nick and Sally. You remember fish, of course.
Hi, Samantha.
Hi, Samantha.
Oh, please, call me Sam. Gotta go.
Hey, wait up! Where are you going?
To the little pool where the river starts.
But why? The other fish are going that way.
I need to get there to lay my eggs. Yay, yay.
Very good swimmer. I'm a good swimmer too. So Sally, she loves swimming.
And why don't you join me on my adventure?
Okay, sure.
Your flippity floppity flippers will help us keep up with
Come here, Clyde. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here, Clyde. Come here.
What was that? Something tried to catch us.
It's just an old grizzly bear. Don't worry, he won't hurt you. It's only me he's after.
Fun?
Oh, for lunch.
That certainly doesn't sound like fun.
Come here.
I see you.
But you can't catch me.
Come here.
Good day to you, sir. What kind of fish are you? Can't you tell? I'm a cat.
Come here.
A fish?
Come on.
You guys are swell travel buddies. We sure have traveled a long way together.
We have.
Yes, sir. We're nearly there. You just been having too much fun to notice.
I, on the other hand, notice everything.